Determine the oxidation number of chromium in the compound and name accordingly. So we are to determine the oxidation number of this chromium and name accordingly. But first of all, what is the oxidation number of oxygen? It is -2. Our valence of oxygen is -2. So oxygen is -2. Or better still, O as -2. Then chromium is assumed to be unknown, and finding the oxidation number will lead us to naming the compound. So we have chromium plus oxygen is -2, -2 multiplied by how many oxygen? We have 7 oxygen atoms. So multiplied by 7 equals to the charge -2. So this -2 actually indicates that oxygen is an electronegative element that requires 2 electrons or accepts 2 electrons to attain its octet stability. That's the meaning of this -2 here. So oxygen has a charge of -2. This -2 is coming from the fact that this compound is an ion, and the charge of the compound is, the valence is -2. Then this 7 is coming from the fact that we have 7 oxygen atoms. So these two can be brought to this place as saying 2 chromium, which is the same thing, plus -2 times 7 will give us -14 equals to -2. That is 2 chromium minus 14 equals to -2. Now what do? We can divide both sides by 14, by plus 14, by saying plus 14. Here we see plus 14. Now this cancels this. The 2 chromium will now be equal to -2 plus 14, which gives us 12. -2 plus 14 is 12. But because we have 2 chromium here, 2 chromium will now be equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to plus 6. So this is the oxidation number of chromium, which is plus 6. Now to name this compound, we now say we have 7 oxygen atoms, so the name becomes hepta. Hepta-oxo dichromate 6 ion. Hepta-oxo meaning 7 oxygen, dichromate meaning that we have 2 chromium, 6 coming from the valence oxidation number of chromium, ion because it's carrying a charge. So this is how you do something like this, and it's as simple as that. Please do like, comment and share.